Hey guys, today I'll show you how I made my very first crepe cake. For the crepes, I use the same recipe as in my crepe video: a cup of flour, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, and a pinch of salt. Also, don't forget the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Right here in this measuring cup, I have half a cup of heavy cream, and I soaked 1 tablespoon of Thai tea leaves, and that's what gives it that bright orange color. Now I'm going to strain the Thai tea leaves so you don't ingest it, and I'm going to use just a little bit of the Thai tea mixture cream into my batter just to give it an orange color. My crepe batter was very lumpy, so I strained it with this small sieve that ended up not working at all, and I had to wash an extra dish to strain the batter. For this crepe cake, I made very small crepes. I think this is just a 6-inch pan that I'm using. I usually use an 8 or 9-inch for basic crepes. You want to oil the pan and make sure the pan is very hot before you add your crepe. I'm using about half or 3/4 of a ladle of batter, and I'm going to swirl it in super fast. The crepes took very fast to cook. It took about a minute for the first side and only 15 seconds for the other. I just used my handy dandy spatula to flip it over, and I made about 30 crepes. I did not use all 30 though, because my siblings ate some of it. In this large bowl, I added the Thai tea cream and just some more heavy cream so that way it makes more. I'm going to add vanilla and a little bit of sugar. Once I got the cream to stiff peaks, I started layering my crepe cake. Make sure the crepes are cooled down before you do this, or it'll just melt and turn to disaster. I started with my first crepe, then I added some cream onto it, and then second cream, third cream, and it goes on and on. You can even make a 100-layer crepe cake, which is crazy. The crepe cake actually turned out looking really nice, but when it was time to cut it, not so great.